Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate advanced carrier features, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, and RCS messaging. Step 1. Verify your phone and carrier support the features you want to enable. Not all devices or carriers support VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, or RCS, so check compatibility first. Step 2. Update your phone to the latest operating system version. Carrier features often require recent software updates to function properly and may not work on older OS versions. Step 3. Enable VoLTE by going to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Networks, and toggling on LTE/4G Voice, or VoLTE. This allows voice calls over LTE networks for better quality. Step 4. Set up Wi-Fi calling in settings under cellular or phone settings. Toggle on Wi-Fi calling and provide an emergency address for 911 services as required by law. Step 5. Prioritize Wi-Fi calling preferences based on your needs. Choose Wi-Fi preferred for areas with poor cellular but good Wi-Fi, or cellular preferred for the opposite. Step 6. Enable RCS messaging in your default messaging app settings. On Android messages, go to Settings, Chat Features, and toggle on Enable Chat Features to activate RCS. Step 7. Verify RCS is working by checking for chat indicator in conversations. RCS shows typing indicators, re-add receipts, and higher quality media sharing when both parties have it enabled. Step 8. Restart your phone after enabling all features to ensure they activate properly. Test each feature with calls, Wi-Fi only mode, and RCS messages to confirm everything works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.